The HERZOG HHCO is a hot air circulation oven for the accurate determination of moisture content in a wide range of sample materials. It is widely used for iron ore testing according to ISO 3087. The system can also be configured for recycling applications. An optional filtration system prevents the release of harmful or odor-intensive substances during the drying process. The HHCO is typically installed next to an automated weighing station. After the sample has been evenly distributed on the drying tray, its initial weight is measured. The tray is then transferred automatically into the oven. The specially designed furnace door features advanced blade technology. It minimizes heat loss and keeps the chamber temperature constant. This ensures stable drying conditions and highly reproducible moisture results. During the drying cycle, the tray is removed at predefined intervals and transferred back to the weighing station. The system checks the sample weight until weight constancy has been reached. This allows the exact moisture content to be determined with high accuracy. After drying, the tray is emptied and cleaned automatically using a dedicated brush cleaning system. It is then immediately available for the next sample. This reduces maintenance, prevents carryover, and supports continuous high-throughput operation.